जय श्रीमन्नारायण. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता सेकंड चैप्टर सांख्य योगम 58th श्लोक. गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us along with Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma says, "O Arjuna, as I said, there are 4 states of Sthita Prajna. Today I am going to tell you about the nature of the very initial state of Sthita Prajna. What does he do? He always will be continuously putting his efforts to think about Atma. Whenever he feels that his sensory organs are going behind anything other than Atma, he immediately controls them. He immediately brings them back. This kind of sadhana, this kind of practice he will be continuously doing. Just like a tortoise, as and how a tortoise withdraws its limbs when he thinks that there is a danger, and once he feels that the danger is gone, he again relieves his limbs. Just like that, the 4th state, which is also known as Yatamana Avastha, the Sthita Prajna who is in this state will also be continuously controlling his sensory organs whenever they are going behind the things which are other than Atma. Like that, he will also try to make sure his mind is continuously, constantly engaged in thinking of Atma. Like this, Krishna Paramatma giving his teachings now while thinking about the 4th state of Sthita Prajna, also while putting our efforts to do this kind of practice. Let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Yada samharate cha ayam kurmonganiva sarvasaha indriyani indriyardhebhyah tasya prajna pratisthita. Om. We are trying to understand the 4 states of Sthita Prajna by taking one simple example. If there is any trouble is caused by someone, the one who is in the topmost state of Sthita Prajna would not even think that it is a trouble, it is caused by someone. The second, that state of Sthita Prajna is called as Vasikara Avastha. And the one who is in the second topmost state of Sthita Prajna, which is known as Ekendriya Avastha, he would understand that it is a trouble, but he would not think that it is caused by someone. Now the 3rd state of Sthita Prajna, which is also known as Vyatireka Avastha, in that state he would understand it is a trouble. He would also understand it is caused by someone, but he would not spill out any kind of anger towards that person. He would just endure the trouble. Sometimes he would think that it shouldn't have been done by him, it shouldn't have been caused by him. Like that, he will think and he will forget about it. He will try to again get back to his Atma Mananam. Now the 4th state of Sthita Prajna, which is known as Yatamana Avastha, in this state the person would think like it is, he would understand it is a trouble, he would understand it is caused by someone. He would also immediately get some anger and try to spill out anger. At that time, he would control it. This is how the four states of Sthita Prajna would react to one scenario. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on doing all your activities as my service, keep on thinking that you are my belonging, surrender to me alone unconditionally, do not cry, keep on reading one sloka at least from my Bhagavad Gita every day, keep spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep doing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on thinking that I am your belonging. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep reading at least one Gita sloka every day. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say, I shall behave as you like. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam, Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Suka Maharshi. Yam pravrajantam apeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhum Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Sriman Narayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Udirayet. Sri Suta Maharshi disclosing Srimad Bhagavatam to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Parikshittu, the king, is now having a conversation and giving some kind of solace to Dharmadevata and Bhumata, helping them to get peace of mind. Also, Parikshit Narendra decided to kill Kalipurusha, who is standing right next to Dharmadevata and Bhumata, who is also in the form of king. So Parikshit Narendra is now taking his sword to kill that Kalipurusha. At that time, Kalipurusha fell on the feet of Parikshit, the king, and saying that Tat Padamulam Sirasa. He is surrendering to Parikshit Narendra. Then Parikshit Narendra thought that whoever surrenders, we should not be killing them. Ahachedam hasanniva. Now while smiling at Kalipurusha, Parikshit Narendra is talking to him. O Kalipurusha, we belong to Arjuna's dynasty. Baddhanjaler vai bhayamasti kinchit. Whoever surrenders to us, whoever says that please protect us, we would never kill them, and on top of that we will protect them. Now I am not going to kill you, but na vartitavyam kshetre madiye. You should not be staying, you should not be residing, you should not be living in my kingdom. You are not deserved to live in my kingdom. You know why? Tvam adharma bandhuhu, O Kalipurusha, you always help adharmam, you always help support unrighteousness and ethics. That is why you should not be living in my kingdom. What you do usually wherever you live, you slowly get into the rulers. The moment you get into the rulers, when the rulers become so unrighteous, that is where from there that unrighteousness, that adharmam spreads all over the world. And with that adharmam, taking that adharmam as support, there comes so many bad qualities and spreads all over the country. In that untruthfulness and stinginess, stealing the things, robbery, cheating, sinful activities, so many, and quarrels. Like this, several of bad qualities spreads all over the moment you enter into the rulers. Like this, Parikshit Narendra is having a talk with Kalipurusha. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Naham Vande Tava Charanayoho Dvandvam Advandvahetoho Kumbhipakam Gurumapi Hare Narakannapanetum Ramya Rama Mrudutanulata Nandane Pirantum Bhave Bhave Hrudaya Bhavane Bhavayeyam Bhavantam. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarasatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 58th sloka. Yada samharate cha ayam kurmonganiva sarvasaha indriyani indriyardhebhyaha tasya prajna प्रतिष्ठिता. यदा संहरते चायं कूर्मोऽङ्गानीव सर्वसः इन्द्रियाणि इन्द्रियार्थेभ्यः तस्य प्रज्ञा प्रतिष्ठिता. श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.